Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, we will learn how to find binomial probabilities, but in cumulative sense. So let's look at this example. So a student takes a 15-question multiple choice quiz with 4 choices for each question. And now the student did not prepare for the quiz and makes a random guess on each question. Then the first part we've done, we're going to do the second and the third. Now find the probability of guessing less than 10 questions correctly. Now, less than 10 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 because it's less than 10. So it's a cumulative for x equals to 9. And for this, what we'll need to do is we will need to import, let's do this one more time. So first we need from scipy import stats, okay? And then we do, stats that binom, right? Now we need cumulative, so CDF. And the cumulative is going to start at 9 and less because it's less than 10. It's 9 and 8. Because we chose CDF, uh, this stats module will start at 9 and add all of them, 8 and all the way down to 0. Now, the number of trials is still 15, and the probability of success or guessing it correct is 1/4. So if we run this, this is 0.999, so that's almost 99.992% that a student will score exactly 9 out of 15 or 8 or 7 or all the way 0 out of 15. Now the last part talks about what's the probability that this student will score at least 10 questions correct. Now when we talk at least 10, it means 10 or more, right? So it's 10 or more. So 10 or more means including 10, right? So including 10. So that's greater than or equal to 10. And if it is including 10 or more, we don't have, we can use the cumulative idea. If we had done the cumulative for 9 or less, right, that would be the complement of those of probabilities scoring of a 10 or more, because 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is what we're looking for, but we don't have a cumulative for the upper hand. We only have a cumulative for the lower half. So that means we're going to use, first we're going to find the cumulative for 9, but we have to take the complement, which is 1 minus that value, will give us for 10 or more. So let's use here, we've already imported it, so now all we do, we don't need to import it again. So stats, and then we're going to go binom, right? And then CDF. Now if we do, we've already done this, by the way, for 9 or less, all right? This is 9 or less, and then out of 15, and 1/4 is the probability of success. Now we've already done this. This is the probability of from 0 to 9, but what it asked is from 10 all the way to the end. So this would be the complement of this is we can just do 1 minus this probability will give us what we're looking for. So the probability that the student is going to score 10 or 11 or 12 or 13 or 14 or 15 is 0.00079 and so on. All right. So this is how we'd find, how to use NumPy to find probabilities.